LifeStylez. This is currently my 4th conversion van. I'm going to convert it into a camper van, but I just got it, so I'm stoked about trying it out for the night. I just found this Flying J parking lot. There's a few other vans here. Looks like a good place for the night to try it out and brainstorm and think about the ideas I want to do to convert it into my next camper van. So we're going to be spending the night here tonight, setting up just the basic stuff I have right now. Currently 30 degrees outside right now, so it's a little chilly. %, humidity and 50 degrees inside the box. So yeah, I only have the essentials right now. I have my Jackery 240 power box, a trash can, some towels, windshield, sun deflector. It's all stock '02 Chevy conversion van. So I got the bed back here for now. I'm going to be brainstorming tonight, just trying it out because I'm excited about getting another van and hooking it up into a camper. So, gonna get some ideas overnight for what I'd like to do for the build out and what I'll need. So, let me get set up here. Guess I'll get some heat going first. Warming up inside here. And gonna set up my bed. Got the heat kicking. Let's see what the temperature is in that few minutes. 63 degrees, went up 13 degrees just in that few minutes of setting up my bed. The buddy heater works great. I'll probably let that run a couple more minutes as I get ready to jump in the bed here, and then shut it off for the night just to be safe, because that temperature is good enough for me for sleeping. And I'll probably lay back and relax for a few minutes while visions of Vanper van designs dance in my head. So, good night. I'll check in with y'all in the morning and let you know how it went. Good morning from Vanper LifeStylez. First morning, trying out the new Chevy. Put my jacket up here for a little more privacy. All in all, it was a good night. The sun's getting ready to come up. I'm gonna try to get out of here before the traffic starts. Light this heater for a minute just to take the chill off while I pack up my sleeping bed. Get a little heat going. Let's actually see what the temperature dropped down to. .54, that's not too bad actually. Box is pretty well insulated. That's good to know. So, I'm gonna just pack up here. I'm gonna head out. So we got everything packed up, put away. Gonna roll out of here. Pretty good night all in all for the first night in Vanper LifeStylez in the new van. Can't wait for these new journeys. Living the van life. Stay tuned for a full van tour video. So please leave any comments down below. If you have any good Vanper build ideas, I'd love to hear them. It'd be a great help. And any ideas of some new journeys that you'd like to see. See you in the next video.